You may recall in the book that I felt so duty-bound to tell this story, because I remember the admonition of this fellow Jacob. Whoever survives must tell the world. He'd stand like this. Tell the world what happened here. So when I got to the yeshiva, I started talking about it. And some of the rabbis there would put me in front of the groups to talk about it. Oh, I'd say about 5, 6 months went by. 7 months. I can't remember how long. We were out in the yard. This is already after the summer camp. I can speak English now. Not perfect, but, you know, haltingly. So I began talking about it. So during recess, months afterwards, we were out playing. And one of the bulvans, I call them, from the yeshiva, comes into the yard and says, Schiller, why don't you tell us one of your bullshit stories? I clammed up, and for about 20 years I didn't talk. It had such a shocking effect on me. Now, he was stupid. He didn't realize what he was saying. Nonetheless, remember I told you that I didn't want to go to the secular school because I didn't want to suffer any anti-Semitism. To me, that remark...
Do you think that disbelief was wider spread? It was just this one individual? I mean, were other students?
Well, I know that my uncles said, let's not talk about it. Leave it. It's gone by. Leave it alone. In many instances, I'm talking about the first few months, you'd mention it, leave it behind you. So you got the feeling. And also I remember, and by the way, those that were survivors, that were in the camps, we got together and we felt very much more comfortable with each other.